Hi everyone, welcome to the day 2 of the LeetCode May challenge, and the question is jewels and stones. So the question goes something like this. A given strings J representing the type of stones that are jewels. Okay, they say that J is a string which contains jewels, and there's another string which is called S that represents all the stones that we have. And we want to know how many of the stones that we have in S are actually jewels. And they also say that the letters in J are distinct and letters are case sensitive. So A is different from capital A, right? For example, J, which is jewels, and there are two jewels, small a and capital A, and these are the stones. How many of these stones are actually jewels? So as you can see, there are three stones which are jewels, A, capital A, and capital A. So that is something which we want to return as the output of this method. Another example, there is one jewel which is small z, and all the stones that we have are capital Z, capital Z. So there's no small z in this string. So all the stones that we have are all stone are just stones. None of them are jewels. So the output is 0. This is a fairly straightforward problem, I would say, because when you say distinct, the first thing that should come into your mind when you read distinct is maybe it has to deal with set. The question has to be dealt using set. That is what we'd be doing here. So you define an integer variable, which is number of jewels. This basically is our number of jewels, and you return it. Now we'd have to define a set of character as set. Let's find it as a hash set. And so this set would contain all the jewels, right? All the characters in the jewels. So we have to convert this string j to character array and iterate. So let's do that. Let's call character j and j dot to character array, and we just add all the jewels in our set. Alright, once we have done identifying all the jewels, we'll have to iterate through the individual stones that we have. Obviously, we'd have to convert this into a character array as well. Now we'd have to see if this stone is part of the jewel set, right? If set dot contains s, then we'd increment number of jewels because this stone is a jewel. I think that's it. Basically, we'd be doing this for all the characters in the S character array, which is basically the string. Once we do that, we'd identify if this is a jewel or just a stone. If it's a jewel, we'd increment this number of jewels and return number of jewels once the iteration is done. Let's just submit it and see if that will be accepted. Alright, so that is accepted, and just to go with the time complexity of this problem, of the solution, so it's O of j plus s. Basically that is the size of the jewels and the size of the stones, so basically which is O of n. That is a solution which they have asked for, and let's see what exactly is the hint. For each stone, check if it's a jewel. So yeah, that is what we have done exactly. So obviously we would have used set, and that exactly is the most optimal way of solving this problem. So thank you for watching.